So this question is to do currency conversion. Sebastian's travelling from Fiji to Brazil. So the exchange rate, 1 Fijian dollar, is equal to 1.1824 Brazilian reals. Now before I even read the question, if I were you, I'd write it the other way around, because 100% chance that later on, instead of asking you to go from Fijian dollars into Brazilian reals, they're going to ask you to go the other way. So I would make a note that 1 Brazilian real, so I've divided this number by 1.1, divided it by itself to get 1, so I need to do 1 divided by 1.1824, so 1 Brazilian real is equal to 0.845737, etc. So now we can go in both directions. We can go from Fijian dollar to real by timesing by 1.1824, and we can go from real to dollar by timesing by 0.845. Okay? Right, question 1. Calculate the exact amount of Brazilian real that Sebastian received. So he's changing 5,000 Fijian dollars. So 5,000, and we're going from Fijian dollars into real, so times 1.1824. So let's give it exact, so it comes out as 5912 Brazilian real. Okay. In question 2, so we just make a note, he got 5,912 Brazilian real. He estimated he was going to get 6,000. Calculate the percentage error. Okay, the formula for percentage error is given on your formula sheet. So again, this is one that you shouldn't be getting wrong. The formula looks something like this. We take the estimated value, the approximate value minus the exact, over the exact, and times it by 100. So that's given on your formula sheet. So the estimated value, and this is absolute value, so it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, we're just going to take the positive. Estimated it to be 6,000. He actually got 5,912. So his exact value was 5,912. So we're going to take the positive answer to that and times it by 100. So it should have come out as 1.488, etc. And throughout the paper, please, you need to give it to 3 significant figures. It does say on the front, and you will be penalised if you don't. So 1.49%. When he's in Brazil, he says he spends 4,000 Brazilian real. So he had 5,000. He's going to spend 4,000 of them. So before I even read the question, he had 5,912. He's spending 4,000. So he's got 1,912 Brazilian real left. And he says when he gets back, he's going to change it to Fijian dollars at the same exchange rate. So do you remember in the first question I wrote it the other way around? I said that 1 Brazilian real is the same as 0.84573, etc. Fijian dollars. So the reason I wrote that is because I knew at some point they were going to ask me to go the other way. So if I've got 1,912, then I'm timesing this by 1,912. So I need to times 1,912 by 0.84573. And that should come out as 1617.0501 Fijian dollars. Please, again, read the question, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So that's 1617.05. And you need to give the units as well, Fijian dollars, otherwise you will be penalised.